How to use Aviator Predictor app in 2025. First things first, Aviator Predictor app is an application that claims to predict multiple winning multiplier in an Aviator game round. These apps often use algorithms to analyze past data and forecast the potential crash height of the virtual plane in the game. Now, they are designed to help users make more informed betting decisions. Now, what you want to do for you to download the Aviator Predictor app is just open up any web browser available on your end and simply type in Aviator Predictor app. Now, what you want to choose is directly from GitHub. Now, once you're here, just simply scroll down a bit till you find Aviator Predictor app 65/2024. Hit on download and just simply create an account once installed. And that's basically it. That's how you use Aviator Predictor app in 2025.